You're sitting in the brand new 2019 Tiffin 32SA gas-powered, top-of-the-line motorhome. Unlike the bulk of the industry, which is built in Indiana, these come to us out of Red Bay, Alabama. So Tiffin is a true manufacturer, not an assembler. And there's a huge difference because so many of the manufacturers in the industry, they can go to a warehouse in Indiana and pull a fridge, stove, furnace, water heater and assemble it. Tiffin still uses fridge, stove, furnace, water heaters, but all of the other components like fiberglass, their molded front caps, rear caps, are all molded fiberglass roof on every motorhome they build. Their fiberglass sidewalls, that all comes to them out of their fiberglass department. Even their windows, which are very unique and exclusive to Tiffin, are built by Tiffin. By building everything in-house, their quality control is so much higher. They're not looking to build a motorhome cheaper, they're looking to build it better. So when I say high-end, I really mean it. The longevity of a quality-built motorhome is there. And even an old Tiffin motorhome would run the doors off of a lot of the new stuff that's available today. We handle products made by Coachman, by Newmar, and by Tiffin. We're the exclusive Tiffin dealer for Alberta. That is something that we don't treat lightly. Ordering is a nice option because it gives the people the opportunity to pick and choose their colors, features, floor plans, options. That's one unique way to go about buying a motorhome. But what the Redmond family and our management team here at Bucars did just a couple of years ago is they added an extra acre of asphalt, and they ramped up our motorhome inventory substantially to give us selection. Currently, today, I have 3 32SAs in stock and configured and optioned and colored slightly differently. When you first wake up and decide you're thinking motorhome, come and see us. We want to talk about the product, we want to talk about the service, we want to talk about how to get you educated and ready to go with your new motorhome. Let's just start by getting out on the lot and showing you what we offer, show you why Bucars is refreshingly different.